Hi and welcome back to a day in the life of Orion. Today's video is going to be a pizza challenge. Who's going to eat the pizza first? Is it going to be me? Is it going to be Orion? Is it going to be you? Or is it going to be
me? Cousin Brandon.
Cousin Brandon. Stay. So, this is a race. Who's going to eat it first? Is it going to be me, Orion, or Cousin Brandon? Ready? You want to get this?
Ready?
Ready? You want to get yours? Ready? Ready?
Whoa!
Yeah!
Go!
It's yours.
Get
Ready?
it! Go on in.
Oh, no. I think it's nearly gone. How is it nearly gone? How did you eat that? Only taken about 3 bites. Eh? And you wanted more? I'm not letting you beat me.
Done.
Done. I think it was a bad idea doing that straight after dinner. Very bad idea. Just gonna lick all our plates now, are you? Well, thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again later.
Bye.
Good boy.